Morning. It is Thursday, the 28th of April, 2022, and welcome to our daily debrief. Just to recap, obviously, we had a public holiday yesterday and a session out of London in Europe where the miners traded extremely well. We've got the Rand since our close quite a lot on the back foot and a lot stronger dollar. So, just to look at some prices here, S&P is pretty much unchanged since our close on Tuesday. Nasdaq's up about 50 points. We had obviously Facebook come out last night with the better subscriber numbers. We've got FTSE futures up sort of 0.5%. We've got pretty much since other notable movers, we've got iron ore up slightly, and miners, BHP Billiton, obviously trading really, really well with, and Anglo's quite a lot higher since our close. So just looking at quickly at the Aussie, I think keep a close eye here on the 64 100. I think we can push higher on the back of the weaker rand. So I'll be looking potentially for a decent buy in the Aussie. We obviously had on Tuesday the locals being quite weak with only ABSA sort of standing out in the banking sector trading quite well. So just to look at a few ideas, I think Clicks is the first one. Clicks is coming out with the results this morning. I think it might have just hit the tape now. Watch the stock quite closely. It's been in a range between 320 and sort of this 300 level. Let's keep a close eye on it today. I think, let's see if SA Inc. holds up. It is one of the more expensive quality stocks out there. So it needs a clear break of 320, I think, for anything exciting to happen. Otherwise, potentially could maybe go back to the 300 level. Then looking at Anglos, I think obviously we had a big move out of London yesterday. Just to look at some resistance levels, 718 and 745 are two resistance levels in Anglos. Let's see maybe if we can get a push there with the weaker rand. See how the stock reacts at those levels there. Then Naspers, I think a bit of a disappointing out of Tencent this morning, but I think Naspers with the rand can still hold quite well. I think it needs to make a clear break of 1524 potentially, and that can target 1600. So let's watch Naspers. It has shown some relative strength over the last few sessions with the weaker rand. So keep an eye on that, especially with China Tech trading quite well and decent results out of, or decent market-related results out of Facebook last night. And finally, just to keep an eye on Impala's. I think Impala's has got their numbers coming out soon. So keep an eye on the stock. Obviously, PGM has been massively out of favor. But yeah, let's watch the stock quite closely. Try to make a charge for 200, but failed on Tuesday. But I think continued weakness. I don't think you need to pick any bottoms here. The chart looks really weak, and potentially 180 could be sort of the target there. So just to recap, we're looking to get watch Clicks' results to see how the market takes those. Looking for Anglos to trade up to 720, longs in Naspers, and keep an eye on Impala's to see how they trade into the results. Good luck for today.